காலேஜில் வந்து திறன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு knowledge identifying and mentor arrangement on ஓடிட்டு I request Mr. Thiruvallai Nambi to give a small brief about Thiran which is going on in our college right now. So they may need lot of mentors. சொல்லுவார்.
வணக்கம். திறன் என்று புதுசாக ஒரு காம்படிஷன் ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கிறோம். அதாவது என் பேர் திருமலை நம்பி, 1993 பேட்ச்சு. திறன் என்று 2010 ஒரு காம்படிஷன், அதாவது மற்ற கல்லூரிகளுக்கு இணையாக நமது மாணவர்கள் அவ்வளோவாக வெளியிடுவதில்லை. அதனால் பல்வேறு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் ஆர் மிஸ்ஸிங். ஸோ அதை மேற்கொண்டு ப்ளஸ் அவங்களுடைய இன்ஜினியரிங் ஸ்கில்ஸுக்கு ஒரு பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் அமைக்கலாம். மேலும் அலுமினி வந்து பில்டிங் அண்ட் அதர் திங்ஸ் கான்சன்ட்ரேட் பண்ணுறாங்க. பட் டைரக்ட் இன்வால்மெண்ட் அவ்வளோவாக இல்லை என்ற நோக்கிலே எனக்கு ஆயிடுச்சு இருக்கிறது. 2 குழந்தைகள் இருக்கின்றன. நான் ஆஸ்திரேலியாவில் இருக்கிறேன், சாஃப்ட்வேர் சைடில் இருக்கிறேன். ஆகவே இல்லை இந்த திறன் பற்றி சற்று சுருக்கமாக சொல்லியிருக்கேன். அதான் என்னை பற்றி அவ்வளோ சொல்றதுக்கு ஒன்றும் இல்லை. இப்போ ரேங்கிங் ஆரம்பிச்சிங்க போல இருக்கு. ஸோ ஆகவே இப்போ வந்து இட் இஸ் ஜஸ்ட் அ பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் ஃபார் அலுமினி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபேக்கல்டி டு கம் டுகெதர் அண்ட் எக்ஸிக்யூட் ஃபியூ ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் கெட் நோட்டீஸ் பை த இண்டஸ்ட்ரி. இந்த வருஷம் எங்களுக்கு வந்து we had a good response from both alumni side and students, and we just concluded our prize distribution ceremony in ACCET on January 7th. We also, for example, we are having the involvement of alumni right from 1975, 60s till 2011. So it's a common platform for alumni and students and the faculty to come together. So we have been welcomed by open arms by the college also, and students are very much interested in it. And we are on this. After seeing this encouragement from the college, we have started a center of excellence also. It will be a common platform. It's an umbrella, virtual umbrella. It is not a institute or anything. But as a first step, Mr. Balaji of 1984 batch EC has come forward to start a Center of Excellence in Embedded Systems. He has already given some training, so I'll hand it over to him to give the benefits of Thiran and how he is seeing Thiran, how alumni can contribute effectively using this Thiran as a platform. So I use this opportunity to welcome you all to the Thiran platform, and so that you can contribute more in interacting with the young people, where the alumni's need is more felt in the college. So welcome to Thiran, and thanks for this opportunity.
வணக்கம், என் பேர் பாலாஜி. நான் 1980-84 பேட்ச், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 4-year பேட்ச், and triple E's, and I have about 25 years experience, and I was in India, and I was in US for 10 years, and I come back. I have 2 kids. My daughter is on 7th and my son is on 2nd. And the last 2 years, we do a lot of activities in the college. I personally go there and stay in the hostel room where I stayed when I was studying. And I go to all the departments and giving lectures for the college students. And we conduct full-day seminars on electronics and embedded systems. And the one thing I found was quite interesting, especially the last week I was there in the college, and I'm going back once again on the first week of February. Every month I'll be staying about 4-5 days in the college and giving a training. The last 4 years I was traveling all over Tamil Nadu, various engineering colleges, and most of them were self-financed colleges. And first time I was entering into our college, when I found out our students are remarkable. And I don't know why our college students need first of all looking for placement and everything. Our goal, we spelled the goal very clearly the last year, trying to make ACCET as #1 institute in India like IITs. And students also pledged all their supports. When I was giving a training with the kids and everything, the students refused to go out of the lab. Finally, the lab in charge had to force the students to go out of the lab. It was very surprising, and even the HODs and the lecturers were very happy about this. And initially we started with a few members, and currently we have about hundreds of members in this group and volunteers. And our goal is, so far all these groups, finish. All our groups did one thing: we given financial capital to our college. Now we are starting a new era of human capital. every students, all students, alumni planning to visit the college and as and when required and preparing the students for their future career. So there is a new initiative. On that new initiative, we have started something called Center of Excellence. So we will be contacting you, all these people through Axadoba, Delwarding, and we will be updating you what is happening in the college. And we put all our lectures in the YouTube and what is happening. Please, we request your support for this new initiative for the human capital. Whichever could able to do it, you can do it. Thanks a lot.